So right now I'm just waiting for it to load. I'll show you in a minute. I already tuned the computer to VATTS delete. So right now, instead of cranking it, it'll just turn on. The light will still on, stay on till you program a new key on it. But for a while, your truck will turn on once VATTS is deleted. And yeah, I'll show you in a minute. It's still loading. The previous guys cut the wires. I don't know why they did this, trying to turn it on, but it's not gonna work. You're just gonna make it worse. So you get in the computer and delete the VATTS. There is loading. In a couple more minutes, it will turn on. So yeah, don't mess with this, guys. Just go get it tuned. Go get your PCM tune, ECM. I mean, sorry, tune, and that's all you have to do instead of doing all of this. This is just making it worse and causing more of an electric problem. Instead of just paying like 100 or 120, depending on who can help you out. All right, well, there you go. I already took off the VATTS. I'm gonna turn it on real quick. All right. There you go. So this is necessary every time you do a swap. You need to take off the VATTS. This is a customer's truck. This is not my personal truck. I just took off the VATTS. That's all I did. Mention you can reprogram the key again. You just have to like put these back together. I mean, it's working regardless without it with it.